two big names in web hosting, one crucial choice for your site. Which one really delivers? On the left, Bluehost, the affordable WordPress starter. And on the right, SiteGround, loaded with premium features and performance. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Here, what we're gonna compare. We've got pricing and value, performance, security, features, customer support, scalability, and, ease of use. So buckle up, we're hitting every angle that matters. Okay, first up, pricing and value. So Bluehost is the super budget-friendly option. Like if you just want to get your blog or portfolio up and running without your wallet crying, Bluehost is hard to beat. It's way cheaper out the gate, perfect if you just want something simple and affordable. But some basics like backups, yeah, you'll need to pay extra. SiteGround, on the other hand, packs in way more features right from the start. The catch, it's pricier, and honestly you start seeing the real value only as you go up in tiers. Winner for this one, Bluehost sneaks it just because that low price is super appealing for beginners. Moving on to performance. So Bluehost performs just fine for smaller sites. You'll get good uptime and decent speed, unless of course your site gets popular overnight. Hey, we can dream, then things might lag. Also, kinda limited when it comes to where your data centers are. Now, SiteGround is just wow. It's faster in head-to-head speed tests, has this cool super cacher tech, scalable cloud infrastructure, and get this, 11 data center locations globally. That's a crazy amount. Sure, the starter account's caching isn't ultra fancy, but you still get way more oomph overall. Clearly, SiteGround takes the crown here for sheer speed and muscle. Alright, let's talk security. Bluehost, good basic protection, no drama, but if you want all the fancy features, there's a charge for that, like with SiteLock, so prepare for a few extra bills. SiteGround, however, just goes all in. Advanced protections baked in, daily backups, malware scanning, firewall, just loads more security, and let's be real, peace of mind. Some goodies live on the pricier plans, but honestly you're safer from the get-go. Security king, that's totally SiteGround. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Both Bluehost and SiteGround are officially recommended by WordPress.org. So yeah, either way you're kind of getting a stamp of approval from the folks who made WordPress. Now features. Bluehost gives you a nice WordPress dashboard, a guided site setup, and free SSL and email, which is nice to have, right? But unlimited sites, gone. Backups, those are extra. And if you want all the super trendy plugins, some are missing unless you pay up. On the flip side, SiteGround is loaded, managed WordPress on all plans, on-demand backup, staging sites, custom CDN, auto updates, the works. Yeah, advanced stuff costs more, but even the base package feels pro. Features-wise, SiteGround's the real MVP. Customer support, so if you go with Bluehost you get reps on demand and plenty of easy guides. But if things get complicated or technical, yeah, their expertise can be a little, well, basic. SiteGround, though, gets a standing ovation for support. The team knows their stuff, there's priority support for those higher plans, and the help docs are actually useful. Sometimes it'll take a minute to connect if you're on their cheapest plan, but the knowledge quality, next level. Winner, easy win for SiteGround. Scalability, Bluehost gives you some basic VPS options, and if you're just sticking to one site, it's fine. But if you ever want managed hosting or need to go bigger, there are some limits and you'll want more. SiteGround is all about growth. You start small and level up to cloud, VPS, dedicated hosting, the whole spectrum. As you scale, costs go up, but so do capabilities. It's tailor-made for growing businesses. Scalability champ, it's SiteGround. And last but not least, ease of use. This is actually one spot where Bluehost shines. The dashboard is super friendly, there's an onboarding checklist, and you even get a launch wizard. A few advanced settings are hidden behind upgrades, but for newbies, it just makes starting out like stupid simple. SiteGround has their Site Tools dashboard, which is slick, fast, and comes with staging and management features, but honestly, if you're totally new, it might feel a bit like jumping into the deep end. So Bluehost takes this round for being beginner heaven. Visualizing these scores side by side, SiteGround basically dominates in almost every technical and business category except for pure price and beginner simplicity, where Bluehost holds its own. So what's the verdict? If your top priority is saving money and getting a super easy start, Bluehost is a no-brainer. But if you want faster speeds, more premium features, stronger security, and something you can truly scale up, Even if you pay a bit more, then SiteGround is the smarter choice. That's just how it stacks up in 2025. If you found this breakdown helpful, let us know what hosting you're thinking about. Need more quick tech comparisons? Bookmark this for next time you're stuck choosing. Catch you soon.